Have you ever wondered how our bodies fight off diseases and infections? Well, there's an unsung superhero within us all, working tirelessly to keep us healthy. This is our immune system, an extraordinary network of cells, tissues, and organs that band together to defend our bodies against harmful invaders. Imagine an intricate, well-trained army. This army is not made of soldiers, but of cells and proteins. They're on constant alert, patrolling our bodies for any signs of intrusion. This army doesn't fight conventional enemies. Instead, it battles against microscopic invaders that pose a threat to our well-being. These invaders might be bacteria, viruses, or other harmful substances that seek to infiltrate our bodies. Now let's delve into the ranks of this cellular army. The immune system has two main types of cells: white blood cells or leukocytes and proteins called antibodies. Leukocytes are the frontline soldiers. They're split into two groups: phagocytes, which devour invading organisms, and lymphocytes, which remember previous attackers and help the body destroy them. Antibodies, on the other hand, are like the intelligence unit of our army. They identify and neutralize foreign objects such as bacteria and viruses. They can even mark invaders for destruction, making it easier for other immune cells to find and eliminate them. But what's truly remarkable about our immune system is how it adapts and learns. It's like a superhero with a super memory. When our bodies encounter a particular threat for the first time, our immune system stores information about that threat and how to fight it. If the same threat tries to invade again, our immune system is ready to spring into action, often preventing us from getting sick again. So our immune system is not just an army, but an entire defense force, constantly learning, adapting, and preparing for battle. It's an amazing network of protection that operates around the clock to keep us healthy and safe from harm. So, our immune system is like a superhero, always ready to protect us from invisible enemies. Now let's talk about the two main villains our immune system battles against: bacteria and viruses. But how do they differ? Imagine bacteria as tiny, single-celled creatures. These microscopic organisms are so versatile, they can thrive almost anywhere. From the deepest trenches of the ocean to the highest peaks of mountains, and yes, even inside our bodies. In fact, our body is a bustling metropolis for bacteria, with trillions of them calling us home. But before you get grossed out, remember, not all bacteria are bad news. Some are actually good for us, helping with things like digestion and keeping our skin healthy. However, when harmful bacteria sneak in, they can cause a whole host of problems, from tooth decay to more serious infections. On the smaller side of the scale, we have viruses. These are even tinier than bacteria, and they can't live on their own. They're like the freeloaders of the microbial world, needing to crash at a host's cells to survive. Once inside, they take over the host cell's machinery to reproduce, often destroying the host cell in the process. From the common cold to more serious diseases like measles, viruses are behind many of the illnesses we encounter. In essence, bacteria and viruses are like two different types of burglars trying to break into our body's house. Bacteria are the ones who can live independently, setting up their own hideouts in our body. They can be harmless tenants, but some can turn into troublemakers. Viruses, on the other hand, can't survive without a host. They're the ones who break in, take over, and cause chaos. So bacteria and viruses are different, but both can cause diseases if they manage to outsmart our immune system. But don't worry, our body's defense system is pretty amazing at dealing with these invaders. And in our next segment, we'll talk about how our immune system works to protect us. Stay tuned. Ever wondered how our immune system fights these microscopic villains? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an incredible journey through the human body. Imagine a bustling city, where every citizen has a vital role to play. This city is our body, and the immune system is its vigilant protector. At the heart of our immune system are the white blood cells. These are the brave soldiers on the front line. There are two types of white blood cells: phagocytes, which gobble up invaders, and lymphocytes, which remember previous attackers and help the body to fight them faster. When a foreign invader, like a virus or bacteria, trespasses our body, it's detected by these white blood cells. They spring into action, identifying the intruder as a threat. The lymphocytes then start producing antibodies, which are like tiny flags or markers. These antibodies attach themselves to the invaders, marking them as targets. Now this is where the phagocytes come in. They patrol our body looking for these marked invaders. Once they spot one, they consume it, effectively neutralizing the threat. This process is called phagocytosis. It's a bit like a game of tag where the invaders are it, and the phagocytes are the ones chasing them. But there's more. Some of these lymphocytes, known as memory cells, stick around even after the invasion is over. They remember the specific invader and the antibodies needed to defeat it. So, if the same type of invader dares to attack again, our immune system can respond even faster, ensuring we stay healthy. This is an ongoing battle happening right inside us every single day. Our immune system works tirelessly to protect us from these microscopic threats. It's a complex, well-orchestrated process which involves various types of cells and molecules all working together in perfect harmony. Our immune system is quite the warrior, isn't it? Our personal army, always on guard, always ready to protect the city that is our body. It's truly one of nature's most remarkable phenomena. Can we do anything to make our immune system stronger? Absolutely, we can. Boosting our immune system naturally isn't rocket science. It revolves around adopting healthy lifestyle habits. Let's start with sleep. Getting enough sleep is not just about fighting off sleepiness during the day. Sleep is when our body restores and heals itself. During this time, our immune system releases proteins called cytokines, which help promote sleep and fight off infections or inflammation. Without adequate sleep, we may not produce enough of these protective cytokines, leaving us more susceptible to illnesses. Next up is exercise. Regular physical activity can give your immune system a well-needed boost. Exercise allows your body's antibodies and white blood cells to circulate more rapidly, which means they may detect and zero in on bugs more quickly. Also, the rise in body temperature could help kill bacteria, potentially helping you to get better more quickly if you do get an infection. Now let's talk about diet. Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for a strong immune system. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains, provide the nutrients your immune system needs to function optimally. On the other hand, a diet high in saturated fat, sugar, and processed food may compromise the immune system's ability to fight off infection. Last but not least, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress suppresses the immune response by releasing the hormone cortisol. Cortisol interferes with the T cells, a specific white blood cell, to reproduce and receive signals from the body. Additionally, cortisol also reduces the antibody secretory IgA, which lines the gut and respiratory tract, our first line of defense against pathogens. To sum it up, boosting our immune system naturally involves getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress. These lifestyle modifications can go a long way in enhancing your body's natural defense system. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the key to a robust immune system. Are there specific foods we can eat to improve our immunity? Absolutely, and it's not as complicated as you might think. Our bodies need a variety of nutrients to keep our immune system strong and ready to fight off diseases. And there are certain foods that are particularly rich in these nutrients. First on the list are citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and tangerines are all packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells and boost our immune system. Vitamin C is so crucial to immunity that without it, we can become more susceptible to illnesses. Next up is garlic, a staple in many kitchens across the globe. Not only does it add a delicious kick to our meals, but it's also known for its immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. It's been used for centuries as a medicinal plant, and modern science backs up its health benefits. Let's not forget about spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. It's also one of the best sources of dietary magnesium, which is necessary for a healthy immune system. While it's healthiest when eaten raw or lightly steamed, you can add it to a variety of dishes to make it more palatable. Finally, we have yogurt. It's a probiotic food, meaning it contains beneficial bacteria that can support our gut health. Our gut plays a significant role in our immune system, so maintaining a healthy gut flora is crucial for immunity. When buying yogurt, look for ones that have live and active cultures listed on the label. In conclusion, incorporating a variety of foods into our diets is key to maintaining a strong immune system. Citrus fruits, garlic, spinach, and yogurt are just a few examples, but there are many more out there. So, a balanced diet with these foods can help keep our immune system in top shape. Now, isn't that food for thought? We've learned a lot today, haven't we? We've delved into the fascinating world of our immune system, that incredible internal bodyguard working tirelessly to keep us healthy. We've seen how it fights off intruders, distinguishing between the different types of threats like bacteria, those tiny single-celled organisms that can multiply within us, and viruses, even smaller particles that hijack our cells to reproduce. Remember how we discussed the various ways we can boost our immune system naturally? We spoke about the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. These aren't just good habits, they're essential tools in maintaining a strong immune system. We also explored the world of immune-boosting foods. We talked about the benefits of citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C, and the wonders of broccoli, a powerhouse of vitamins and fiber. We learned how garlic's immune-boosting properties come from a concentration of sulfur-containing compounds, and how yogurt's probiotics help balance our gut bacteria for a healthier immune response. In this incredible journey through the human body, we've discovered that our immune system is our first line of defense against diseases, and how we can help it do its job better. This knowledge empowers us to take better care of ourselves and live healthier lives. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against diseases. So, take care of it, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and informative videos.